Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock apps on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down and go to apps. Then over here we have app lock. Let's go over here. Let's press turn on. We need to draw digits, or we can tap change password in order to switch to pattern, pin, or password. Let's actually choose maybe not password but pin. Let's tap on the field and let's enter a password. Let's go next, confirm by entering the same password. And you might be suggested to create a Xiaomi account. However, to be able to reset the password if you lose it, if you forget it. But I'm gonna select not now above the green button. And once again, let's wait 3 seconds and let's press not now. There we go. Now we can select apps that we want to be protected and locked behind our password. So let's say I'm gonna choose gallery. I mean, we have some suggestions already. So we have 9 apps selected, and you can recognize that by these green checks. So you can tap on the app in order to lock it or not. So I'm gonna keep the gallery only, and then let's use app lock. We can use the fingerprint unlock. Let's actually move the device. There we go. We have fingerprint verified, and now we have our app lock configuration. We can also use our face data. We can hide sensitive notifications. Sorry, and we can add more apps to the app lock by simply tapping on the slider. There we go. As long or as much as you wish. And now if I go back and if I try to open the gallery, once again, if you see this information about the Xiaomi account, you don't have to, you don't need to, and you can select don't ask again in order to not be bothered again. And we can now use fingerprint, or we can enter the password that we have set up. And there we go. We have now access to the gallery that I just locked, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can use the app lock on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.